introduce myself. Hi, I am Mukundan. Today is my birthday. Wish me first. Thank you. I am from Tamil Nadu, but now I live in Punjab. I am studying 3rd B class. From the day I make a resolution for talking in English. I want to see my improvement day by day. That's why I start this YouTube channel. In my spare time, I learn so many English to speak. I'm going to practice listening and speaking, talking the way other people speaking in English. Just like copying others. Are you ready with me? If you want to say something new, you can comment me. I will be back soon. Now I have to go to school. Bye. Have a nice day.